Come test drive the 2015 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a 2-year or 24,000-mile bumper-to-bumper limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive 112-point inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.